Exposing the secret to a stress-free college life. Spoiler alert, it's all in the essentials. First up, a reusable water bottle. Hydration is key, folks. Plus, it saves you cash and the planet. Win-win. Next, a comfy yet sturdy backpack. Trust me, your back will thank you after lugging around those hefty textbooks. Pro tip, invest in a good planner or agenda. Juggling classes, social life and sleep, this will be your new BFF. Got a laptop? Great. Now make sure you grab a laptop stand and external keyboard. Your neck and wrists will be forever grateful. And let's not forget about noise-cancelling headphones. Perfect for tuning out the dorm chaos and focusing on your studies or, Netflix. Speaking of dorm life, a cozy blanket and some fairy lights can make your room feel like your personal haven. Because who doesn't need a little bit of homey comfort? Oh, and don't sleep on a mini first aid kit. Band-aids, painkillers and cold meds can be lifesavers when you're away from home. Finally, a portable charger. Because nothing's worse than your phone dying in the middle of an intense group chat, or heaven forbid during a lecture. So there you have it. Load up on these essentials to stay stress-free and make the most out of your college adventure. You got this.